Hello. So today we are continuing our studies of the fruit of the Holy Spirit. We are on part 3, and we're not talking about this fruit, but we're talking about the fruit of the Holy Spirit. So part 3 is peace. So we're going to dissect the word peace. Peace is defined as freedom from disturbance and tranquility. Freedom from disturbance and tranquility. Synonyms of peace is consolation, neutrality, friendship, reconciliation, truce, unity, and order. So we all can use some peace. Peace of mind, peace of body, peace of spirit, peace in our emotions, peace in our atmosphere, peace in our world, peace. Now let's go to the scriptures. Galatians 5:22 and 23, where this whole fruit of the Holy Spirit came from. We have, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance. Against such there is no law. Other verses with the word peace in them. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you. This is Jesus speaking to his disciples, or to the followers, all the people who were listening to him at the time. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give unto you. Not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. So that's John 14:27. Isaiah 26:3. 26:3. Thou wilt keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee, because he trusteth in thee. Numbers 6:26. 6:26. The Lord lift up his countenance upon thee, and give thee peace. So we're going to continue with part 4, and the next term that we're going to cover is long suffering. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.